Now we have this data. Probability of event A is 0.5, probability of event B is 0.6, and probability of event A intersection B, that means A and B, is 0.2. Then we have to find the probabilities of these different events. Now we can put this data on Venn diagram. Venn diagram से ये equation बहुत आसानी से हो जाएगा. We have easier solution using Venn diagram. Okay. Here we have sample space S. Okay. Events A and B are subsets of S. Okay. So here we have event A and event B. This is event A, this is event B. Now probability of event A intersection B is 0.2. Okay. So we put 0.2 value here in the region of A intersection B. Now probability of event A is 0.5. Okay. So here we put value 0.3. So we have 0.3 plus 0.2 is equal to 0.5, which is probability of event A. This is how we fill the Venn diagram, different regions of Venn diagram. Now probability of event B is 0.6. Then what will be value here in this region? We have 0.2 already here. So we put here value 0.4. Okay. Okay, now sum 0.3 plus 0.2 plus 0.4 is 0.9. Okay. So we put 0.1 here in the outer region of A union B. Okay. Now using this Venn diagram we can answer these questions very easily. Like here we have probability of A union B. A union B is a region of sets A and B. In this we have values 0.3, 0.2, 0.4. Sum of these values is 0.9. So probability of A union B is 0.9. Okay. We can use formula also, like probability of A union B. This is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Put the values 0.5 plus 0.6 minus 0.2, 0.5 plus 0.6, 1.1, 1.1 minus 0.2 is 0.9. तो ये फॉर्मूला से भी हम ये probability value ला सकते हैं, ठीक है ना? Now we have to get the probability of event only A. Only A means this region of set A excluding A intersection B, and this value is 0.3. Okay. In the form of set theory, we can write this way: probability of event only A. Now only A means A minus B. Okay. This is equal to probability of event A intersection B complement. This is equal to probability of A minus probability of A intersection B, using concepts of set theory, and this is equal to 0.5 minus 0.2. This is equal to 0.3. Okay. Similarly, we can find probability of only B. This is equal to 0.4 from Venn diagram. This is equal to probability of event B minus probability of event A intersection B. So we have 0.6 minus 0.2 is equal to 0.4. Okay. Now probability of this event, exactly one of A and B occurs. Exactly one of A and B occurs means either only A occurs or only B occurs. Simultaneously both A and B are not occurring. A and B एक साथ नहीं हो रहे, यहाँ तो सिर्फ A हो रहा है, यहाँ तो सिर्फ B हो रहा है, ठीक है? This is equal to, from Venn diagram, this is 0.3 plus 0.4. This is equal to 0.7. Okay. And using concepts of set theory, this is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus 2 times probability of A intersection B. Why we are subtracting 2 times probability of A intersection B? Because A intersection B is a part of set A as well as part of set B. So we have to exclude this probability 2 times. हमें इस A and B की दोनों की probability में से ये probability को minus करना पड़ेगा. That's why we are subtracting here 2 times. Okay. This is equal to 0.5 plus 0.6 minus 2 times 0.2. Okay. So this is equal to 1.1 minus 0.4 equal to 0.7. Okay, using set theory. Now this one, probability of neither A nor B occurs. Neither A nor B occurs means probability of event A union B complement. Okay, this is equal to straight away 0.1. Here value is 0.1. A union B complement means region of सैंपल स्पेस S विच इज आउटसाइड A यूनियन B. ठीक है ना. तो A यूनियन B का जो बाहर का जो रीजन है उस रीजन में वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पे 0.1. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 0.1. ओके, using concepts of set theory, this is equal to probability of S minus probability of A union B. Probability of sample space S is 1. Probability of A union B is 0.9. So this is equal to 0.1. ठीक है ना. तो neither A nor B इस इवेंट का जो probability है वो क्या होगा 0.1 हो जाएगा. तो हम दोनों तरह से कर रहे हैं. We are using Venn diagrams as well as formulas. Addition theorem of probability. Now let's find some of probabilities of these two events. This is event complement of A complement intersection B complement, and this is event complement of A complement union B complement. Now here we can use De Morgan's law of set theory, using which we have here A complement intersection B complement is equal to A union B complement. Okay, so we have here complement of A union B complement plus, and here A complement union B complement is equal to A intersection B complement. Okay, so here we have complement of A intersection B complement. Okay, so now you have to get this sum. Here complement of complement is initial set. So here we have probability of A union B plus probability of A intersection B. Okay, so this is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. ठीक है ना. So we have here 0.5 plus 0.6. This is equal to 1.1. No surprise here if we get value more than 1, because here we are not finding probability of some event. Here we are finding sum of probabilities of two events which can be more than 1. ये sum more than 1 हो सकता है क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम दो probabilities का sum निकाल रहे हैं. ठीक है ना.